Join me and watch as I transform everyday ingredients like sweet potatoes, spinach, chickpeas, and yes, even peanut butter into a mouth-watering meal that'll have you rethinking everything you knew about quick cooking.
We will start by discussing the health benefits of the many different forms of chickpeas and talk about things such as protein and fiber.
After our own 4-year fertility struggle, we found the missing link, the power of nutrition, featuring Mediterranean principles enhanced with cultural treasures like breadfruit from our Jamaican heritage.
Hi, I am Dr. Sandy Ree. I'm a child, adolescent, and adult psychiatrist. I teach culinary medicine to medical students and in the community.
We'll dive into the science behind powerful ingredients like turmeric and ginger, exploring their pharmacological mechanisms, their role in reducing chronic inflammation, and how they're rooted in traditional medicine.
I will walk you step by step how to create delicious and healthy eats and treats for you, for your family, and for your patients.
In this session, we're going to explore how each of those colors nourishes and energizes our minds, bodies, hearts, and spirits, and how mindful eating can promote health and vitality. And then I'll invite you into my kitchen to share some joyful recipes with a food that comes in a variety of colors: berries.
We're going to be focusing on having core ingredients, doing meal prep, and making the healthy choices easy and fun to integrate over the course of the week.
We're going to talk about the power of substitution. Specifically, how are we going to substitute that cow dairy for plant-based dairy products? And I have one of my most favorite recipes to share with you.
I review the nutritional benefits of incorporating lentils into your lifestyle. We will specifically also cover gut health and chronic disease benefits of incorporating more fiber into the lifestyle.
Who says healthy eating has to be complicated?